Hey, everybody, good afternoon, and welcome back to the Chat GTM podcast. If you're a returning visitor and if you're new to the show, thanks for coming along. Don't know how you found us, but here you are. My name's Michael Beck, your irascible host with Think Tank GTM, and with me, as almost always, is my business partner in crime over there, Mr. Chad Horn.
Hey, everybody.
How you be, Chad?
Be great.
I'd be great
Indoors
too.
on a blistering hot day. It's a good place to be.
Yeah. So Vegas, 111 when we got into town yesterday. Have you ever felt that? That's not a heat index. That is the heat.
Yeah,
it is hot.
Which is fine, except at night. That's where it really messes with your mind when it's 100 degrees when it's in pitch dark
at midnight.
Yeah, that's not cool.
So today we're somebody who's also hot, but a different way from Mr. James Gribbin from MetSales. This guy, this team, this company be slinging hot product all over the industry because MetSales has the goods, and we're here at their what is this? Your kickoff reception?
Yeah, it's our kickoff welcome reception.
Yeah,
Your RSPA.
Yeah,
welcome everybody.
So welcome. We're supposed to be welcoming everybody now. He's been on a couple of times. He's becoming like Robin Williams on Saturday Night Live. These repeat guests that we get coming back in because he's just a great guest to have. So James, how you dealing with the heat?
It's hot, but thank God I don't have to go outside much.
That's right. That's right. And so for those that don't know you, that don't know MetSales, tell us a little bit about what MetSales is.
Yeah, so MetSales is a value-added distributor. So what does that mean? We don't push boxes. We're here to help. We're a partner. We know the products that we carry, and you can rely on us and trust us to help you make an informed decision of products that are going to work for you. We're not pushing one product at you. We can give you the choices to make an informed decision, and then we have direct relationships with the manufacturers that we work with to make sure that you can get samples, test it, vet it, make sure it works with your software and is perfect for your application before you go full bore. And then we'll stock it for you and have it ready to ship same or next day.
Now, what are the product lines that MetSales carries, like in general? Is it POS? Is it radio components? What is it you guys sell?
Our primary industries are point of sale products, kiosks, financial banking equipment, through Epson, the check scanners and things like that. And people man-machine interfaces and screens for industrial machines, our touch screens.
Man-machine interfaces. I've never heard of one of those yet.
It's called MMI. Or
is that what Elon Musk is planting in people's brains?
Yeah. Well, maybe on the robots to build or on the assembly lines.
Yeah. Chad?
So it sounds like somewhere in there, you got some people on the team doing research on what's out there in the industry and figuring out what your partners are going to value in terms of their business. And I can appreciate that since we spend so much time on research as well. So talk about that function, right? And how your partners view it.
Yeah, absolutely. So our team doesn't just sit behind a desk. We get out on the road and we go to a lot of trade shows. RSPA is our most important show of the year for the industry, as where the industry meets, as they say on the sign. But it's true. And this is, I think, taking away COVID, maybe my 17th or 18th RSPA. It's a great organization. If you're not in the RSPA organization, I encourage you to join.
It's a no-brainer. I mean, look into the benefits. It's crazy.
Yeah. And there's a lot of great people. It's filled with great people. It's a big community, but a small community. It's a small world. Everybody knows each other and they get along great. So we're excited to be here at this show to meet with all of our valued partners, friends, and customers. But this isn't the only show we do. We go to NRF. There's a National Retail Federation show. We go to NRA, the National Restaurant Association. We go
to like the small shows.
Yeah. FS Tech. There's grocery shows, there's convenience shows that we go to, and then we go to a lot of regional events, and we try to network with our customers and our manufacturers that we represent, because we want our whole team interfaces directly with the manufacturers, learn the products that we carry, so that we can be your trusted advisor and be there to help you make sure you're getting the right product for your needs, and that it doesn't feel like it's being forced on.
Can you guess, or is it even possible to guess how many SKUs you guys carry?
I know we probably have 40 product lines that we carry, 20 that are our go-to day-to-day products that we use. And but so I mean it's thousands, tens of thousands of SKUs, I'm sure, that we have. A lot of the manufacturers can also customize a product for your needs, and so we can do anything from custom logoing, custom imaging, having it so that it can be easily deployed to your customers and loaded remotely, that type of thing. So we'll add that value and have you deliver a value-added product to your customers.
So James, when we first met you guys, it was literally in this hall in a different hotel, sitting at this table. I think it was like kind of our anniversary right now.
Yeah, I think it is.
I like this space better.
Yeah, I do too. It's a little wider too. But the common theme though is back to that partner conversation. It's been MetSales and MicroTouch, right? And so why is that such a good fit between?
Yeah, MicroTouch is a phenomenal organization to work with, and during the COVID era, they came out with a product that was available when others didn't, and they've really captured the industry in our hearts because it's a great product, a great value, and a great team. These guys know the industry, and they keep coming out with innovative products, and they're supporting our customers where others haven't. Yeah. And I've never seen, and I think in December I'll be at MetSales for 20 years now. I'm 19 and a half plus into the industry. In my time, I have not seen a product line grow as fast at Metropolitan Sales or in the industry as MicroTouch has. Wow. With a great product line.
What do you attribute that to?
I attribute it to, understanding the channel, understanding the partner's needs, having a quality product that's available at a fair price. So, I think they check all the boxes for customers, and they're continuing to innovate with our partners. So we're using them in kiosks. A lot of our kiosk manufacturers that we work with choose MicroTouch over the other brands because it's a great product and it works well. They now have outdoor kiosks, outdoor screens for kiosks. They have ruggedized tablets. Their products are so rugged that they're the product of choice for kitchen display in the industry pretty much right now. So we're doing huge rollouts, and talking like crazy 20,000 piece rollouts, with MicroTouch KDS screens on their 22-inch size. And so they've really captured the kitchen display market. They partnered with Epson to have a kitchen display software for people that don't have a kitchen display readily out of the box. And Epson has been another great partner. They work well with MicroTouch, and they're an industry market leader. The Epson product line is a killer product line, and very complementary to a lot of the other brands that Metropolitan Sales carries.
So James, let's connect the dots to the observable world. What's going on in the industry, the country, the economy, with technology, the industry
put on
trend.
A big turban. He's got a forecast
that you guys are seeing, right? And then changing and responding to as a company on how you do business.
Yeah. So, and it's funny, the day that I started at Metropolitan Sales, I was told the day you stop learning is when you should pack it up and go home.
100%.
And, that's what's great about RSPA. We get to learn and network. Right now, the industry is always changing. We're still seeing a drive and a need for handhelds. We're seeing a huge drive in kitchen display. We still think that's a growing market segment that people are starting to definitely embrace having touchscreens in the kitchens now. And it's definitely a huge market space. Kiosks is still a growing market product. We're seeing a lot of kiosk sales. I think with changes in the industry, in the quick service spaces and other spaces, there is a need for kiosks. Right. People don't always want to interact with someone behind the counter. They want to take their time and enter their order correctly or their information correctly, or at the doctor's office.
Or be judged on what they're buying.
Yeah, exactly. I won't go there. But but yeah, definitely kiosks is still a growing segment. And then I think that we're starting to see people embrace AI and artificial intelligence more across the industry and in their workplace habits in the software industry. So we're definitely looking for change, how AI is affecting the industry. And that's something I'm excited to learn this over the next few days. I'm definitely going to be talking to our software partners and industry partners, and they have some presentations on artificial intelligence here again.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah. So So yeah, that's a nutshell. And of course, the payment side of thing is always a growing segment, And so, we support with the stands. We have some payment solutions and payment products too that people choose to get from Metropolitan Sales, and we can guide you through that as well.
So, with that in mind, who are you looking to run into at this show? What kind of companies is MetSales looking to run into, right?
So, I mean, we love interacting with the value-added resellers, which are definitely here at this channel and at our event today. A lot of these guys have a vast amount of knowledge and experience in the industry, and I'm always learning from them as well. So I love to engage and have conversations like this with the reseller community. We definitely enjoy having those conversations, and encourage you to give Metropolitan Sales a call if you want to talk with us. We totally embrace that. Software vendors, the ISVs here as well. We're partners with a great number of those ISVs that we love to interact with. I mean, we support the ISV channel with choosing hardwares, bundling, remote management device software, like products like Esper. That is one of our partners at our event today. And we can help give guidance in that as well.
Chad, one more before you have to send him back to the party.
So, James, since you've been coming such a long time, what has been the most consistent year-over-year attraction for you? Like when you think about going to this show, what are you most looking forward to each year?
The people. Yeah, I'm a people person, and people don't do business with a computer. I mean, sometimes it's easier to order something on Amazon, but when you're running a business, people do business with people, and I like to interact and embrace the community, and I'm they've become our friends, and we're here to support you guys grow. We all win together. So, we look at it as a partnership, and it's that, valuing that partnership and growing those relationships with the people in the industry is foremost and most important thing.
Well, I think that's such an important point too, James, is AI. You make a phone call, you hit an AI on the phone, the person's not picking up, you order off a website. It's a transaction, not a relationship.
Exactly.
Who do you talk to when the shit goes down? Excuse the language, but I'm not beeping that one, right? Is who do you talk to when things go down? There's got to be a person in the mix. And I think that's such a vital part of if you're conducting business at scale, to know your partner who's going to supply the product, know you can call when it breaks, and you actually need to get past that bureaucracy of digital gatekeepers that just try filtering it. Yeah. And it sounds like there's more of a hand-in-hand approach to business that you guys do. Even Bill Nolfa saying, they actually do some things a little bit old-fashioned. I like it that way. Yeah. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah. So when you call Metropolitan Sales, the main office, a live person answers the phone. That's interesting. So, I mean, but post-sale, we're there to help you too. When, problems occur, and I'm sure they will. We're not going to, right? They go, things happen, and we're going to support you. We know for all the manufacturers that we work with, we know the support staff first, right? And we're going to get you in touch with those, and then monitor it to make sure that you're getting the support that you needed. So that's an intangible value add that Metropolitan Sales definitely adds. Is post sale, we're not going to bury our head in the sand. We're gonna help make sure that you're getting the support you need to solve the problem that arose and come up with a solution.
Love it. God, last bit.
Well, we're gonna see you again tomorrow, because we're going to come by your booth.
At the
I was curious, what are we going to see there at the booth? I haven't even checked it out yet.
Yeah, the booth, we're excited. We have a number of kiosk products in the booth. We have kitchen display systems in the booth. We have mobile handheld tablets and handhelds. We have Android is another product I forgot to mention before, as a growing part of the segment. We're migrating from Windows to a lot of customers and ISVs are migrating to Android. So we have a number of Android solutions in the booth. And we have exciting new Windows products as well that are sleeker, thinner bezel, thin looking. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody come by the booth and showing them what we can do.
Fantastic. Well, James, it's always a pleasure. I even shared with you yesterday that I want to do a feature on you, because you're just a lot more to this onion than the layer you see here. This is a really good guy. I'm excited to share more about the world about you. Like literally, I can just go like this and feel it.
Well, thank you.
But for now, it's Beck, Chad, and James. We're about to sign off, but this just in. The caricature artist came by. Did they nail it? Was this us?
They did pretty good.
Did they nail it?
All right, it's great.
This is us, everybody. So if you see
Yeehaw.
this wanted poster, you know we got in trouble last night on tonight in Fremont Street, and you may find this sitting in the post office around the country. But for now, it's Chad, James, and Beck. We'll see you guys in the next one. As always, random acts of kindness. There's not enough of it in the world. Sprinkle that stuff everywhere. You never know who you're going to make better. Just like James makes not just my day, everybody's day better that you run into. That's the kind of feeling I get when I talk to him, and you should be talking to him too if you need some stuff for your business. But for now, we'll see you guys later, and we'll catch you on the show floor. Stay tuned for more.